Frog can go far, so I don't go.
See his feet? Ooh. To make him swim fast. Kind of like the flippers you put on your feet.
Why does he have extra skin right here?
Where?
Right here.
Don't know. We'd have to look it up. It's just extra skin, it looks like.
I thought their skin was perfect. Oh, you're playing dead, are you? Because your eyes are not closed.
What do you want to name him?
Since he's Freezy, I will call him Freeze.
Freeze. He freezes still?
Freezy. His name is Freezy.
Freezy the Frog?
Yep, Freezy the Frog.
Freezy the Frog.
Let's show Mama it.
Show Mama?
Hi, this is Ava the Nature Girl. Today I caught a frog.
Let's see him up close. Oh.
Can I see him in the
He's
bottom?
got some big webbed feet.
Looks like the same. Yeah.
Some long legs. Was he fast?
It feels sticky on his legs.
Was he fast?
Yeah. He's not. He's playing dead right now.
Where'd you find him?
I found him. Dada found him, not me. No. You both found him. And I almost catched him, but I catched him on the foot. And I like him because he's so slippery. Because she's And I've been trying to get a lizard somewhere in here. It's a small, tiny lizard. But it's somewhere in here. But the lizard was too fast. Yeah. He's small, not like the other ones, but I could
Color was
handle
he?
this one.
What color was the lizard?
He was brown. He was gray with black spots. White, black spots, and gray on it. Can I hold you? This one. Oh.
Ava, say bye.
Bye. I am a nature girl. Make sure to leave in comments.